Hello, hola, I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney. I come on this channel twice a week to give you valuable information on how you can crush it in your life, crush it in real estate, and in your finances, and how you can become a better you. Well, today's no different. We're going to go over high-paying online jobs that you can do at home. So we're going to talk about a few great side hustles that you can do at home. So come on in. It appears that a lot of folk are hungry for high-paying jobs that they can do at home, high-paying jobs that they can do online at home. Ever since the pandemic, now we're in a recession. Before I get started, I want to tell you about the July giveaway. Make sure you go down in the description. I'm going to be giving $20 to $50 via Cash App to multiple viewers. Make sure you take some time out. Again, thank you for joining me, and let's jump right in. The first high-paying online job at home that's a great side hustle is transportation logistics manager. Yes, a transportation logistic manager makes $65,000 to $75,000 a year. These side hustles are not for everyone. You pick what's good for you, you research it, do your due diligence, check it out, and move forward. The second one I want to give you is being a video editor. You've probably heard that before, but if you take some time out and if you're already into your phone all the time, if you're pretty good at it, you can make anywhere from $15 to $25 an hour as a video editor. The third high-paying online job that you can do at home is be a software engineer. A lot of folk don't know about that. Check into it, see what it takes, learn, educate yourself. Software engineer. Fourth high-paying online job at home that's a great side hustle is the electric company customer service. They average $15 to $25 an hour. Check with the electric company customer service. For me, I'm in Florida, so you would check with your city and find out about the customer service that they're offering online. That's one no one's talking about. That's a good one. I deserve a like on that. If I'm giving you some information, if you've ever been on this channel and you've gotten something out of it and you still have not subscribed, you definitely want to do so, because I'm also doing a July giveaway. Look down in the description. I'm doing a July giveaway where I'm giving $20 to $50 to multiple viewers and commenters. So make sure that you do that. Take some time out, educate yourself. Click on another Rena MoMoney video, because I'm here twice a week giving you valuable information on real estate, business, finances, and ways that you can become a better you. And for those that have already subscribed, I have your name screaming on here. I randomly select new subscribers and mention you on the next Rena MoMoney video. So these names going across here, give yourself a hand. You've just subscribed or you have said a very nice comment, and I'm screaming your name in my appreciation, giving you thanks and giving you shout outs. The next great side hustle is being a bookkeeper. You can get certified in less than 24 months as a bookkeeper and make $40,000 a year. I know it's not a lot, but it's a great side hustle. And especially if you're already home, working from home, you can have this where you're doing on the side as a bookkeeper, or you can become an accountant and make $60,000 a year. Now, being an accountant, it is a little bit more than a certificate you'll need, but if that's something you're interested in, if you like numbers, if you like that, then take some time out and find out the requirements that it takes to be an accountant. That's a great side hustle. We've talked about side hustles before. I have about 2 videos down on my channel that talks about other side hustles. So I'm mentioning new side hustles now. So if you want about 15 or 20 more, go down the channel. I have a part 1 and a part 2 talking about side hustles that you can do in 2022 and going into 2023 during the pandemic, after the pandemic, and in inflations. Some that cost very little to get in, and some you'll need a couple thousand to get into. So take some time out and go down the channel and find the other great side hustle videos that I have for you. you. So YouTube is another great side hustle. Podcast, look at it. If you like being in front of the camera, if you have some information to share, if you have some knowledge, if you're pretty good at something, if you're well off, share it. Do a YouTube channel, a podcast. You can make money. One great thing about being a YouTuber and podcast and some of these other great side hustles, you can work from home and it gives you your own flexibility. Control your own destiny. You know, that's what I'm always talking about. Control your own destiny and creating a legacy. The next great side hustle is the e-commerce. Yes, check into that. I know you've heard about it, especially you young folk. You're into Shopify. You're definitely into Amazon. Even if you're 60 something, you're into Amazon. What you want to do is you want to start looking at what type of digital product that you can create. A digital product. There's nothing wrong with physical products because you can make money in that area too. Find something you're good at, that you love doing. Make it digital. Put it online. The next one I want to talk about is being a language teacher. That's another side hustle that no one's really talking about. If you like the content I'm bringing, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you come back because I'm always giving valuable tips and tools. Turn on the little belly thing so you won't miss the good stuff that I got for you. Thank you, and you take care.
24 karat magic in the